Hey everybody, it's Bill with Competition Cars, and now we have a 1978 Lincoln Mark V Wedgwood Blue Luxury Group Edition, 42,000 miles, and we're going to cover the engine bay, interior, and trunk. This is a 46-year-old car, but if you look at it, you can tell it's been very, very well preserved. Everything is clean and tidy. No rust or corrosion. No excessive dirt, debris, or grime. Great motors. Those 460s were actually very respectably powerful for these big cars. All the nuts and bolts look good and clean and fresh. Original hood mat. A little dingy looking, but in good overall shape, especially for a car being 46 years old. All the factory markings on the valve covers. More markings on the core support there. All your hood hinges look great. The firewall looks great. All the hoses and stuff look fantastic. We're gonna come around here and get a shot of the tag. It actually goes this way. And that overspray is absolutely factory. Every one I've had has had overspray of the color of the car. There's that. The jam in here all looks very good and clean. Sunroof. Factory roof, all the jam on the sunroof looks fantastic. One more shot of the interior of the engine bay before we walk around to the interior of the car. It's looking good. This is all original paint except the front headlight area has been painted. They're very bad about rock chips, and this one has no rock chips because someone's refinished it prior to my ownership. Nice match, looks good. Much rather see that than rock chips on these cars. Again, come around to the inside track of the sunroof. No rust or anything, no corrosion. It looks great. Interior, it's got that crushed, very plush, velvety interior. It looks fantastic. Door panels look great. Up underneath the car, the doors look great. The carpets always hold up very well in these cars. They use they have very good quality materials in the interior of these Lincolns, I will have to say. Better than GM, actually, I believe. All the door jambs look good. The clock is working. What does not work? I say it doesn't work. It doesn't light up right. So the distance to empty looks like it's trying to work. Oh, actually, it does work. So distance to empty does work, but the numbers are a little bit blurry. So it works, and when it goes away, I think it should be off, and it just kind of gets that little flicker to it. But yeah, actually it does work. So there's that. Got almost half a tank of gas, AM FM radio. We'll go through the options and features when we do the driving video. Look how clean the mats and the carpet are. All the faux wood looks great on this car. Again, no cracks on the dash anywhere. Steering wheel, they normally have excessive wear on the edges here. A little bit of wear there and a little bit of wear there, which is very, very normal. No cracks in the steering wheel. The rest of the wheel looks great. Visors look great. They got the factory mirrors on both sides. There's your sunroof, factory sunroof switch. Let me pull the carpet up so you guys can see under there. Very clean and still looks as new. Same with the seats. Big old factory sunroof. Clean in the back as well. Backs of these tend to fade. No fading on this one. All original, not touched, not redone. Back carpets look great. And again, all the jambs look great. Look at that, guys. Love, love, love the Wedgwood group. Wedgwood Blue Luxury Group. Trunk is very tidy. Got a factory sales brochure. There's a tag bracket for the front. All the jambs back here look great. No issues. And we have a full-size spare. Looks like the original Michelin, but it also looks like it's been used, so it's been on the ground before. All the carpet back here looks great, coming around to the driver's or passenger side. Again, another very tidy door panel. No cracks or discoloration. Under there looks great. Just as clean on the passenger side as the driver's side. Again, all the factory jams on the sunroof look great. No rust, dirt, or corrosion. Sunroof works great with it, no issues. And again, just like, looks like brand new carpet from 1978. Seats in great shape on this side. Looking good in the back as well. You pull this mat up, also very new carpet. I mean, it just looks, I mean, it's not new, it's original, but it looks like new. And super, super comfy seats, very plush. So there it is, guys. Check it out. We'll do an exterior walk around video in just a moment, and then driving video as well. May do the driving video tomorrow. So we got a few days left in the auction. So there it is. Enjoy, check it out. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Have a great day.